Have you ever pondered the unusual vegetables you can grow in your own backyard? It's a verdant world out there, teeming with possibilities beyond the usual tomatoes, cucumbers, and beans. Imagine a garden bursting with vibrant hues and intriguing shapes, a symphony of flavors that's a feast for the senses. This video will introduce you to a few of these lesser-known but equally enchanting garden denizens. So fasten your seatbelts, green thumbs, and prepare to be surprised by the diversity of your potential garden. First on our list is the striking Romanesco broccoli. This Italian native is known for its unique fractal patterns and a flavor that's a cross between broccoli and cauliflower. It thrives in cool climates and loves a good amount of sunlight. Did you know? Romanesco's pattern is a natural representation of the Fibonacci sequence. Now let's journey from Italy to Germany with the intriguing kohlrabi. A member of the cabbage family, it's surprisingly versatile in the kitchen. From Italy's fractal vegetable to the German turnip, our gardens are global. Next up, we delve into the world of the tasty yard-long bean. This fascinating legume, hailing from the warm climates of Southeast Asia, thrives in full sunlight, producing pods up to a yard long. It's a nutritional powerhouse and a stunning addition to any garden. As we bid adieu to the yard-long bean, we set our sights on the final destination of our garden tour, the vibrant rainbow chard. From the long vines of Asia to the colorful leaves of the Mediterranean, our garden tour takes us around the world. Your garden holds the potential to be a cornucopia of unusual and delicious vegetables. So, let's reminisce the fascinating varieties we've discussed, from the star-shaped cucamelons to the vibrant rainbow chard. Each of these vegetables offers a unique palette of flavors, shapes, and colors. And isn't it exciting to grow something out of the ordinary right in your backyard? Remember, a garden is a world filled with delicious surprises, so why not explore it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspirations.